Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is going to be for Beth. So Beth, thank you for being a patron again this month. Now she requested a Christmas theme spread on her November monthly, which I'm totally here for because November I'm decorating for Christmas. Not in my planner, but definitely in my place. I will be putting up Christmas stuff. So I have this Merry Christmas sticker book from Planything, and I'm going to use this one to decorate this spread because it's really cute. And I think I've only used it once when I first flipped through it. Just checked, it is still in stock. It's actually $16.50 if you're interested in purchasing this one. It's a really cute sticker book and it is available and you can get it in time for Christmas, for some Christmas spreads. But I'm going to use this sheet right here because it's super adorable with all the little animals. And I know Beth likes animals, so I'm going to do a little animal Christmas spread for her. Mix this with some of these, I think, just to make it a little bit more festive. She doesn't want boxes or anything like that, so I'm just going to go with that. I'm just going to decorate it, basically, for her. So the first thing I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to grab some washi. I have, again, Planything. Planything has amazing washi, like neutral patterned washi, like this. So I'm going to use some of this around the spread. I can't believe we're almost to November. Like, time is just flying. It's just going to get faster and faster and faster. So yeah, fun times. I'm going to alternate these a little bit. Yeah, it's just going super fast. But I want to like enjoy the time, and that's why I plan on putting up my decor. I always put it up in November, but I want to try to get it up pretty early in November because my Halloween decor, I did it late and I'm already thinking like, oh, I have to take it down, but it's not a lot. I don't put up a lot of Halloween decor. It's like in one little area of my place. But Christmas decor, that is another situation where it kind of could be a little out of hand. I'm trying to think if I want this red. Yeah, I'll do this red. I wish I had like a more muted red though. Okay, we're gonna go with this one because I might go and look to see if I have another red, but we're gonna go with this one. But yeah, I'm gonna put up my decor. Oh, that's too close to the other one. I'm gonna put up my decor early, and I'm gonna go. Actually, I'm gonna go under. So that way I can enjoy it a little bit longer and be a little bit more festive. It'll feel like it'll be like celebrating it a little bit longer, which I'm totally for. So yeah, excited for that. Okay, I'm gonna wipe this out. I don't need a mushroom. My sister really likes mushroom stuff, and we've been seeing from Target they're coming out with some like mushroom themed stuff, which is really cute. So she's like super excited for that. She likes that stuff. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. That's super pretty. Okay, and then I'll put another one over here. Kind of lay that on top, and she can put like boxes. I think that's what she does. I actually need to ask her because I always forget like how she uses this because I don't put boxes down. She probably puts her own boxes down as she needs them. Ooh, I should put some ornaments down too. Okay, so let's put some cute little animals, some little pets around the spread. Okay, this dog is super adorable. We'll stick the doggy here. Oh my goodness, that was funny. Did not mean for that to happen. Okay, put the dog there. Like the stickers feel different. I don't know if I'm just thinking they feel different, but they actually are easier to pull off. Because I used to have to use tweezers to pull the stickers off, so I don't know if she like changed the the material, but it's really nice actually. Okay, I'm gonna cover this one up because it's going through its face. Okay, that one's so funny. The way it's sitting. Okay, let's put, oh, this one sleeping. That's super adorable. Just taking a little cat nap. We'll put him down here, kind of chilling over there. And then let's do, I want a dog on this side. Maybe I should do the Dalmatians. Okay, so put some Dalmatians down here. A little tree. Adorable. Okay, let me get the ornaments. These ornaments. I can kind of have them dangling around a little bit. That's always cute. Okay, so I'm gonna pick a few of these. Let's see, we'll put them here. Oh, I should probably put them straight. Let me grab another one. Let's do one with like a pattern. Okay, and then I just need to like draw a line to connect them. So I'm just gonna grab this, you know, like a ruler or something, and just draw a line with my pen going down just to like connect the ornaments up to this little area. Super easy. Like so. Yeah. Kind of wish I would have moved this up a little bit more. I don't think I can. Let's see how these come up. Oh, actually. Let's see if I can get this off without ripping the page. Okay, that was super easy. Okay, so I'm gonna move this up to here. Just gives me more space to dangle things, which I like. Okay, that works a little better. Yeah, I feel like the sticker paper is different. The clear stickers feel different. Okay, so I want to make sure I get different ones, which I think actually all these are different, which I appreciate. So I can have different ornaments going up and down. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Like the pattern on that one, the floral pattern. Gorgeous. Oh, I should do this fun shape one. Yeah, this one. Okay. And then again, same thing, just doing a little line going down. This one. Oh no, I got it on the sticker. Oh no. Okay, I kind of messed up there. Don't draw on the sticker part. I'll have to clean that off a little bit better. I wonder if my eraser will clean it off. Oh yeah, it does. Perfect. Okay, so the eraser works to remove pen off the sticker paper, so that's good. All right, that works. Let's see. I might do one more ornament just so that way it's not exactly like this one, because I don't like it to be super matchy-matchy. So I'm gonna grab this one. I'll do this one here. Okay. There's the ornaments. All right, I'm gonna add in, oh, I should add in some of these words. Well, okay, we'll do joyful days. It's not quite Christmas yet, but I'll just put some of these around the spread. Let's do Holly Jolly. And then I got Happy. Happy works for any month. This little guy looks super happy, sleeping. Super comfy. Okay, I feel like I need more washi around this spread. I'll stick some more animals too. Actually, let me just stick some animals down. So where are they? Where'd they go? Okay. So this side, let's stick, I'm gonna stick this cat in a box, so it's funny. Let's stick him here. And then let's stick, this cat's so funny. It reminds me of my sister's cat. He already passed away, but he was a big orange kitty cat like that. The sweetest little thing. So sweet. He just did not like dogs. He was terrified of dogs. Which was not good because my sister has a German Shepherd. But he didn't even like our dog. We had a German Shepherd too. He didn't like him either. So he just didn't like any dogs. So yeah. But he was the sweetest, cuddliest little guy. Well, big guy. He was a big cat. But yeah, he was so sweet. I feel like I just need more washi around this spread just to dress it up a little bit more. You know what? I kind of want to add this cat playing with the ornament. We'll put that over here. I actually need to wipe this out. Just don't like the way it looks here. He's kind of playing with the ornaments, so we'll have them playing with the ornaments there. Okay, and then I feel like I just need, this side always looks super empty to me, but she doesn't want me to put boxes down, so I think I'm gonna put, I can put some more of this, like the garland. I should do some of these. These are pretty. Kind of put some of these around the spread a little bit. Okay, we'll put some here. Put some here. Let's put some. Yep, I'll just put that there. I feel like it just helps to fill in empty spots that need to be filled in. So that's what I'm going for. Just a filled in look. This little piece. Like I want to put it here, but then I don't like that it's going into there. So maybe I'll put it here. This off. Could put another animal there. Oh my goodness, the cat. Cats are always way funnier. Like the dogs are, they're just there. They're just there, yeah, they're cute. But cats are hilarious. Like look at all the little cute cat things that they're doing. Hilarious, hilarious. It's hilarious too. That's hilarious. And that's just super sweet. The dogs are kind of, I don't know why they don't draw them a little bit more fun. I don't know. But if you had dogs and cats, then you know, like, cats are definitely a little bit more entertaining, in my opinion. They're a little bit more fun. They do these funny things. I want to put him here, like just sitting on top, because I think that's funny. Okay. Yeah. And I think I might put just the washi down here. And then that should be it. It looks pretty good. Yeah, we'll just stick washi here to finish off this spread a little bit. Okay, that works. All right, so it's a cute spread. All right, that is going to be my spread for Beth. So Beth, I hope you like your spread. I hope you enjoyed watching this plan with me. Hope you all enjoyed watching this plan with me. Again, this book is currently available. It's Merry Christmas from Planything. Super fun book. Lots of really adorable sticker themes in here. Let's see, that one's super cute. I love the vintage look. It's really, really pretty. I love these ornaments because those are it's always fun to like dangle them around the spread a little bit. This page is super adorable. I love this page here. I see some like scene situations, scenes around the spread kind of look. But yeah, definitely check out Merry Christmas. Amazing washi also. Always pulling out Planything washi. It's the best. But that's going to be my spread for Beth. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in the next one.